So since today it's a quarantine days, and we're not allowed to get out. So we have installed our tent here on the outside of the house. And ang kalalabasan nito ay may kasabot ako. We only have our 13 days to go to end this quarantine period unless the government will pronounce or declare that the quarantine will be an end if the number of the death toll will not be increased anymore. So now we're gonna have to tour you.
Montage.
Ito-tour kami namin kayo dito sa aming pero mag-montage na namin guys. Ito na.
Wait. Ito to.
So, ngayon,
Ano na yung balhas niya.
1, 2, 3.
Action.
So ngayon imumontage na namin guys. Nalaman namin guys yung mga yung mga na-set up na main tent para makikita nyo. Tara, let's go. This is a 12 hours challenge sa labas ng bahay habang nanonood ng TV guys, you know. Dahil quarantine ngayon, kailangan naming what we call this one, mag-camp kasi nga naboboard kami. Pero ito na lang kami, mag-watch kami ng movie. Ayan, together with my sister. Ayan yung kanyang tent. Sa akin, hindi ko pa na-prepare.
A few moments later.
Ang kalalabasan nito ay kasabot ako. Kaya dito kami matutulog sa loob ng tent with my sister, Albi Joy.
Ara kontento.
Yan, yung tent niya, ayun, nandyan yung tent niya guys. Ayun guys, tutulog na kami. Ayan. Tutulog na kami ni LB. Si LB. Ayan. Ow! So, tutulog na kami guys because tomorrow I will be going to have a tutorial on you tomorrow. Kasi nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tutorial kung paano magkuha ng Milky Way Galaxy sa phone. Wow! So, let's go sleep ahead kasi nga 9 o'clock na already. So, see you in the morning. Early morning. Bye! Good night! 12 hours later. Good morning guys. Today it's 4 a.m. in the morning. So, gumising talaga ako for you guys. So, it takes me something na mag-picture sa Galaxy today because it's 4 a.m. So, I have to show you how the technique on how, if your camera has this one, you better have to check it out and then follow me this. I'm gonna have to screenshot the recording on how I take the Galaxy. So, let's go. Okay, so basically ito po yung settings ng camera. Kung meron kayo nito, ayan, dahil pupunta tayo ngayon sa Pro mode. Ayan yung Pro mode. Simple lang po ito guys, napaka basic po talaga ng settings nito. Pupunta kayo ng ISO, iset nyo lang po sa pinakamataas, which is 3200 nga sa aking phone. Sa iba nga medyo umabot pa to ng sobra pa dito. Sa seconds naman po ng timer, yung pinakataas po ng settings sa phone ko ay 8 seconds. Yung EV po, ito po yung nagko-control po ng light. Ito po nagko-control po ng light, so hindi ko po makita yung settings ngayon. Yung EV kasi yun ay yung exposure compensation, change recommended exposure to darkness. So ayan po, may kunting ano kayo guys, kaalaman. manual focus, hindi po dapat kasi nga po sky photography po tayo. Pupunta po tayo ganito sa pinakamataas sa infinity. Ayan. Tapos sa OB, magsiselect po ako ng different kinds of settings kung anong magandang color para sa sky. Ayan, so magte-take na po tayo. Mag-wait pa lang tayo ng 8 seconds para makukuha tong beautiful galaxy, guys. And this is what it is. Another one, magte-take pa tayo ng another light. Ito po yung daylight, ayan. And then another 8 seconds na naman po ulit. Ganito na po siya, guys. Ayan. And then katapusan po ay yung AWB. Yan po yung settings natin. Ayan. So 1, 2, 3. Mag-wait lang po tayo ng 8 seconds. Another 8 seconds. Yan. So, napaprocess ko nga, pupunta ako dito sa may Lightroom, tapos ipapakita ko naman sa inyo, guys, later. So let's go. So here's the before and after of the photo that I've taken. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have learned a lot in my tutorial on how to take the night photography, especially when you see those beautiful the galaxy photography. So it is still 4 o'clock going 5. I hope you have learned a lot, so please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you next time. Bye!